Okay, so my name is Uzair Gilani, and who am I here with today?
About
All right, cool. So I created a chatbot today and just wanted you to navigate through some tasks today. This will be screen recorded as well as audio recorded. Are you okay with that? Am I okay with
Yeah,
getting your consent?
yeah, that's good.
All right, cool, cool. So you could just kind of click around
Hmm.
on here, like you click
Yeah.
that button right there.
Hmm.
So that pulls up like a chatbot.
Hmm.
So the first task I have for you,
Yeah.
I'll actually just read it out.
Cool.
So task one is imagine you have a busy schedule today and need to check if you have homework due tonight. So the task is for you to use the interface to find out information about any pending homework assignments. And the instructions are you can interact with it however you like, and just think aloud and share your thoughts as you go through the process. So
Yeah. Okay.
if you want to like click that button right there, that'll take you to it.
Yeah.
And like to open up the chat bot for the first task, that if you click that button,
Awesome. Okay.
you can click on that. And then if you just click over here, you can't type anything, but like it
Okay.
opens it up.
Yeah.
If you click again,
Yeah.
it's like it showed like that's for example, if you were to ask it, do I have any homework for
Right.
like my UNC Charlotte account?
Mm.
You could click send and it'll give a response. For example,
Yep.
nothing is due. Would you like for me to add a reminder? And then you could click on the keyboard. And if you wanted to put in yes, you could click send again. And it said that to it added the reminder to your calendar. So that's just an example of how the
Yeah.
chatbot
How
will
it
work.
works. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's kind of the first task of
Hmm.
how that works. So the second one is the scenario is if you wanted to integrate your homework management into your calendar to plan your schedule out. So the task is to use the interface to integrate your pending homework assignments with
Hmm.
your calendar. And the instructions for it again would be to explore the interface's features related to your calendar integration and to just think aloud and tell me how you feel about it.
Yeah.
So to access that, if you want to click on the calendar, and then this kind of takes you to a page. It shows like when your next class
Hmm.
is, like what you have class tomorrow, your assignments maybe.
Hmm.
And the task is if you wanted to add a homework assignment. So if you click the plus, and then add homework, and then just keep doing that. This is
Yeah.
kind of how the interface would
Yeah.
be of interacting with it. So if you just keep going, like just adds the due date.
Hmm.
This would be the notes, I guess, of the assignment. Click
Yeah.
it again. And then if you wanted to share this assignment with the class, you could click the bubble
Oh,
and
that's
then
cool.
add that. So
Hmm.
that's kind of how that other task would be if you wanted to add an assignment to your calendar to kind
Yeah.
of plan ahead. So based off of interacting with it,
Hmm.
there's actually a maps page over here as well. And if you click this, it zooms in.
Hmm.
So based off of everything you see, I just have a few questions for
Yeah.
you,
Yeah.
if that's cool.
Hmm.
So the first question would be how easy or difficult was it for you to find the information about any homework assignments due using the interface? What like how did you
Yeah.
feel about
I
it?
I feel it was very like easy to navigate, and it was very easy for me to just click through, and it's really fast at responding, and the signifiers to signify like where to click and what to input it was very easy to do as well. So yeah.
Okay, cool. Second question, did you encounter any challenges or issues when interacting with our interface for the first task, whenever you're trying to interact with the
Yeah, so no, it was very fast, very responsive, and I encountered no issues.
Okay, cool. Third question, how intuitive was the process of adding homework assignments to your calendar using the interface? So like how did you feel about
Yeah,
that
yeah.
process?
It was like a very ideal, and I definitely see myself using that feature in the future. And I like the how you can share with your class.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. I like that feature as well.
okay,
Yeah.
cool. I have three more questions for you. So fourth up would be, were there any features or functionalities you found particularly helpful or lacking in the second task whenever you were going to add it to the
Yeah, the
calendar once
calendar.
again?
Yeah, yeah, no, I thought like everything was pretty like straightforward,
Hmm.
and like it was very easy to navigate where to click and what the function it does, and I feel like it just did everything that I wanted it to do,
Okay.
especially the feature where like the big plus sign signifies just click on it to add a class, and I liked how like the feature of adding notes as well. So yeah, those are the features I thought were impressive.
All right, cool. And do you think students using AI like this, for example, is ethical? If so, why or why not?
Yeah, it's ethical because you're not necessarily like asking it political issues or etc. It's more like it's ethical in a sense because it helps you ease out on your daily tasks and yeah, make it easier for you to navigate, especially like the map feature.
Okay.
Mm.
And last question for you. Do you have any additional comments or suggestions on how this can be improved at all? Or
No, I mean I think it's like overall really perfect in terms of like the objective and the objective I guess to like ease people's tasks more. So I feel like you guys did a really good job.
all right, cool. That's all for my post user study questions today. And thank you for your
Yeah,
time.
appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you.